Please, the floor is yours.
So yeah, so this summer we have built something for the designer community at Rocket.Chat can take help of this app. So this is a Figma integration for Rocket.Chat. For those of you who don't know what Figma is, let me explain to you. So, Figma is a design tool, a UI UX design tool used by designers to create UIs and design prototypes. So, how it like some of you might be familiar with how Figma works and how everything goes on there. So, on Figma, design teams can collaborate on different projects, create different design files. So, the flow of Figma app is like you can create a team inside Figma, and a team can have different projects, and those projects can contain files, various files. So in those files are like the design files which the team use. So on those files, you can obviously create designs. With designs, what you can do is you can comment over the design, or like it is not only for designers, for like managers or even developers to leave comments over the files to like if someone wants some changes on a file, he will comment over there or some suggestions or anything. I will show how that is done, and then comes the this integration. What this integration does, how it is helping the designers at Rocket.Chat or any design team or who are using Rocket.Chat. So this integration is like uh, whenever like someone creates a comment or something, there are a lot of do over Figma. You'll be directly notified inside a Rocket Chat channel if you are subscribed to that file inside that Rocket Chat channel. If you are so you can subscribe to files, teams, and projects inside Rocket Chat channels. So you can not only get notifications from Figma directly into Rocket Chat, but you can also reply to comments or manage your tasks inside your Rocket Chat channels, which I will show you a demo of how you can do that using this app. So yeah, why? But why? What was the importance of this integration? Why it was that important to like create such an app for Rocket Chat? So what happens? We already have Figma sends a mail whenever a comment or something is changed inside if Figma file. So as Figma already sends a mail or and in check if feed of and send some similar things over Figma. Why are we just creating just another place to see our notifications? So the main idea behind this is mostly like if you are working on a file, maybe you have worked on a file like today, and someone has left a comment over that file that can you please change this file, and by mistake you have not checked your mails. Mostly we don't, and mostly like we people ignore, or sometimes they are sent to like spams, etc. So if I did not check that file for 4 or 5 days, maybe that was an important task to be done, but the task was not accomplished as the designer did not look into the task. So this was one thing, one of the like point important for this integration. And the another point which we can say is which we have thought of is like actually when you are mentioned over some tasks and given some tasks to do inside a Figma project, that task gets piled up. So if you do not like uh, have a checklist of all those tasks or all the things that you need to do, the design gets piled up, the tasks get piled up. So that's what we call as design debt. And yeah, it will obviously create a seamless like workflow for designers as we have for developers. We do not have such a workflow or such tools for designers. So this will help in contributing to that. Uh, and Let's come to our app. What are the main features of our app? So comments which are a major part of this integration or Figma are really like important for designers to view. So we will be directly notified inside Rocket.Chat on all the comments and notifications. Not only the comments, there are like a lot of events happening inside Figma. So whenever designer publishes a new file, whenever a designer like publishes a new or deletes a file inside a project, or whenever you are added to new project inside a team which you already are in, or when you are mentioned in a file or mentioned in a project, you will be notified directly inside Rocket.Chat. Yeah, you can organize all your tasks and the list of all the pending tasks inside Rocket.Chat also using this app. So So how is this complete thing working and put all together? So Figma like is a design tool, so they do not have much support for developers or do not have a great API. So like it's still in beta version. They are developing their API for designers, for developers to create good things for designers. So they provide us with some basic support, like they give us all the details of all the files inside a team or all the projects inside a team. And similarly, they send us. They have a these webhooks. What they do is these webhooks like where a comment is made or a file is deleted, they just send us an event back from Figma to our Rocket.Chat app. So yeah, we have just played with that, all that things, and what this in place. So let's see how let's see a demo of how it is working and how you can use this app. So here is my Rocket.Chat server. I have installed the Figma app from like you can install it any way you like. Uh, and it is we install this app. This will send it show us some instructions on how it is work, whatever you can do with. So first of all, what we
Irfan,
need
sorry, can you,
is like
Irfan, your audio is cutting a little bit. Can you
is my
maybe
screen
try
visible?
turning off the camera? I think it can improve.
Yeah, I will turn off my camera.
Sorry.
It's clear now.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Is
good.
it clear now? Yeah. So let me show you. First of all, we have to install the Figma app from the marketplace, and then we can just connect over uh, our Figma account with this app. So for that, we have a command Figma connect. So what this command does is it will provide us an option to connect our Figma account using our to Rocket.Chat. So here we are. It will maybe taking some time. So we will access to like this Rocket.Chat. Yeah, so it is authorized. We are getting a notification that this is inside our DMs that the account is connected. Now I have a another account here if it is visible. So I will add that team. I can show you a demo of how to.
Sorry if I think we lost you. Yeah, it's
Oh
a
my
bit
God.
choppy.
What about now?
No, we can
Goes on
barely.
and off.
Okay, now it's better.
Yeah, yeah, like I don't know why it breaks sometime. Yeah, I hope the screen uh is the screen visible?
No, no, it's not
Yeah,
anymore.
please
No,
tell me
not
now.
yet.
Yeah,
Okay, it's back.
yeah, yeah.
It's
Now,
back,
yeah.
but
So
keep your screen keep your screen share small, like you maximize
for
it and then
for the tab which I'm sharing, oh, it is okay. It's showing me the green mark for signal.
Yeah, it says the
Yeah,
connection is good for
yeah.
you. Not sure what
Is it visible now?
it is.
Okay, so I will add a user into this team. So I will search for the user. User, I guess. Name of the user is.
Oh, now it's good. I think it's back.
searching for the add the I will just add users for yeah. I will add this user here, this channel. Yeah. I will connect his account to Figma. So every user inside a team needs to connect their account to Figma. So I will now connect this user with Figma /Figma command to connect your Figma account. Now it's here. I will connect this account to a different Figma account. This is a different Figma account which I am connecting to, and previously it was a different Figma account. So now this is the Figma account. They both are in a team called Rocket.Chat inside Figma, and this account is also in that same team called Rocket.Chat. So now they are in same team. Now what we will do is I will subscribe to a Figma account. So I will subscribe to this team inside Rocket.Chat. So I just have to copy the URL from Figma and use this command Figma subscribe. So yeah, let's connect with some files. Command next. So yeah, it has loaded all those files inside this team. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 files, and it has loaded all of them. And now we will just connect with them. I will connect some of the files, and let's have two events. Like we have different events. We can have comments for we can have notifications for comments, updates, version updates, deletes, or library publishes. So yeah, let's do it for two events. Let me submit this. So right now it is submitted, and it is saying that a new subscription was created by Irfan, and this user sees the same message here. A new subscription was created successfully. Now let's play with the Figma file. So we subscribe to, I guess, this file and these files. So let me open this file and let me comment over this file. So I will comment here, hi from Figma. So I will send this comment, and here you can see Irfan Asif commented on a design file 2, the name of the file. The comment was hi from Figma, and same for this user. Now I can also mention users over Figma, and those users will be mentioned inside Rocket.Chat. So if I mention like, but the accounts need to be connected. So if I mention like hello at the rate, good morning, what are you doing? So yeah, this comment was created. So the comment was created, and we got inside the channel. For this user whose name was demonic, he received a direct message for the mention that hello demo user, what are you doing? So these direct messages will help us get all the notifications inside direct messages for this particular. So this way he will have a list of all the messages he has on the Figma file. So this will
Sorry, from you're all choppy now. We can't hear you barely. Try maybe
what about
try.
now?
Oh, now it's good. No, it's a little bit. Maybe try
It's
turning off.
stable some.
Yeah, looks like some buffer or
Wait,
something that by the
yeah,
time
wait.
it gets worse or something. But I think it's good now. Maybe.
Yeah, now it's good. I will share again. Yeah, now it should be good. Yeah. So I will tag two users here. Can you guys please look at this thing? I will mention two users. The rate. Okay, I will mention three users. Okay, so I mentioned three users, and all of them will receive notifications if they have connected their Figma their this Figma app into Rocket.Chat. So here I received a message in the DM and also in the channel which I have subscribed to, and this user has also received the message inside DM and inside the file. So now I can reply to Rocket.Chat. So what I will do is I will just go to and respond.
Sorry, Irfan, we are back without audio.
I will have to continue with audio. Yeah, let me try once again. Yeah.
Is this the microphone from the? Do you have a different microphone, maybe?
No, I'm right now like I was out and this internet at this place is not that. Yeah,
Okay.
it should be good now. So like yeah, this is the last thing I'm saying.
Look
So
like
in direct from I
it's
can
good
reply to
now.
pin directly to Rocket.Chat. So I have a reply. This is a reply to the comment in dot at. I have posted the reply. All the users in this channel will receive a notification that someone has commented over a file in Figma, which I commented from inside Rocket.Chat. The comment was added successfully. So go back to the file and check this file. This comment has received a reply. This is a reply to the comment from Rocket.Chat. So this is how it works, and we can put all the files in this all the things which we are subscribed to inside this channel Figma subscription. It will give me a list of all the files. I, like all the three things for files, for projects, and teams. Right now we are subscribed to files, so we will check the files which we are subscribed to. So it's showing me all the files which I am subscribed to, and I can directly comment and open these files from Rocket.Chat. I hope I am not breaking now. Okay, great. So I was not presenting my screen. No issues. So am I audible? Like,
Yes, you are.
so I will continue with audio only. Yeah, and that's about the demo. And let me discuss some challenges which we faced. So one of the big thing, a really cool thing with this app is right now Figma webhooks are in beta version, and they only provide us with 20 webhooks per team. So like if we have a big team like we have in Rocket.Chat, we have big design teams and they contain lots of projects inside Rocket.Chat. But Figma only provides us with 20 webhooks, so we can only create 20 webhooks. So this was a major issue for us to like tackle with this app. So how to do that? So what we did is we only consumed 5 hooks from Figma, and we can create unlimited number of hooks as many as we want inside Rocket.Chat. So we have written the code in such a way that all we can surpass this limit from Figma. So it was really challenging task to figure it out how to do that and stuff. So all thanks to my mentors, and we all figured it out together. And yeah, so this also works for not only comments, for other notifications too, like when a file is deleted or when someone is mentioned. And we are also planning to expand it to like after the GSOC period. I will be continuing working on this. We will be expanding it to components in libraries. There are things in Figma called components and libraries. Like we have, if you might be familiar with some component libraries or some components, there are similar things inside Figma also. Whenever a new component is published or whenever some library things in libraries are changed or uh, anything related to components and libraries, we will receive notifications for them too. Yeah, and we will as the project is open source and I'm really into designing things, I will be improving the app with the as the Figma improves the API. We will continue working on this app and improve it accordingly. So yeah, that was all I have to present. Fortunately, my screen was not visible properly, but yeah, so I'm done. Any questions in the chat or
Okay, very
am I
good.
not audible?
I think our the designers here at Rocket.Chat is going to use that a lot. And congratulations. Do we have
Yeah,
any questions? I think we have. Oh, we are right on time.
yeah.